Oh, hey there. Didn't see you. Because it's 2018, we thought we'd start this one a little bit healthier with some salmon. Just a little bit of a workout, you know. So for all you health nuts out there, this one's for you.
Salmon is an absolute superfood. It's packed with protein, omega-3s, vitamin Bs, cream cheese, Applebee's when you're overseas wearing deep V's with 98 degrees holding a Maltese. First we need to scale this sucker. Turn the fish sideways, hold the knife at a 45-degree angle, and rub it vigorously with duct tape because duct tape fixes everything. Next we're going to score our fish. What this means is we're going to cut small lines into the fish about halfway through the meat. Scoring the fish helps the skin cook very crispy. Oh, that one's a little too deep. Here I have a mix of salt, pepper, garlic, and dillweed. Season your fish on both sides and try to get it into these butt cracks for major flavor. Put a non-stick pan on medium heat and fart on some oil, and lay the fish skin side down. Use something to press the fish down so it has full contact with the pan. The fish is going to cook 90% of the time on the skin. As it cooks, you can see the white part slowly climbing up to the top. When it gets right below the top, that's when you flip. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. So the white part has just about hit the top. Okay, I know what you're thinking. It looks like it's burnt. But trust me, it still came out really crispy and delicious. So don't judge a book by its cover, you shallow son of a bits of baby carrots that I roasted with some garlic, salt, and pepper in the same pan. These will be a great side with the salmon. Look at this baby carrot. Throw on your salmon, stupid parsley, baby oil, and a little lemon wedge, and that's thumbnail ready.
Let's give it a shot. It's very good. It's very nice and medium on the inside. Not dry at all. Carrots are good. I don't even like carrots, but no, whatever. The skin is really crunchy. I can feel the pounds melting off already. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below to let me know what you want me to make next time. Make sure you follow me at Nokidoki on all the social medias, and I hope you all have a very happy new year. I'm already hungry. Fun fact, duct tape is really good at getting scales off the carpet. You know what else it's good for? Hostages.